Good morning to all. I am Akshaya Gopi, studying in second standard in Kendra Vidyalaya, Tiruvarur. Good morning to all. I am Aishwarya Gopi, studying in second standard in Kendra Vidyalaya, Tiruvarur. As a part of Ek Bharat Shreesth Bharat activity, now I am going to read latest news at Jammu and Kashmir. Twitter rectified geotag error showing Jammu and Kashmir as a part of China. A day after Twitter landed in middle of a controversy for showing Jammu and Kashmir as a part of China, the microblogging platform on Monday corrected the geotag location. Jammu and Kashmir Cricket Association scam. ED questions Farooq Abdullah. The Enforcement Directorate on Monday questions former Jammu and Kashmir Chief Minister Farooq Abdullah in connection with the alleged misappropriation of rupees 94 crore when he was the chairman of Jammu and Kashmir Cricket Association. India to return Chinese soldier who strayed across the line of actual control. A Chinese army soldier was apprehended in the Demchok sector of eastern Ladakh on Monday after he had strayed across the line of actual control. The Chinese soldier, identified as Wang Yaolong, is currently in the custody to Indian Army will be returned to Chinese officials at the Chushul-Modo meeting point after the completion of formalities. Terrorist killed Jammu and Kashmir police officer. A police inspector returning home from evening prayers at a mosque was shot dead, and a CRPF trooper was injured in a separate terrorist attacks in South Kashmir on Monday, while police officer Muhammad Ashraf was fatally shot in the Canal Wall area of Anantnag. The CPRF man injured in the day's other attack was part of a joint police and paramilitary team that was targeted near the Gango area of Pulwama district. Jammu and Kashmir topper in NEET 2020. Pulwama boy excels in NEET exam. Secures 695 out of 720 points. The Kashmir Valley's most troubled and militancy affected Pulwama district has earned a new distinction that are being home and to Jammu and Kashmir's national eligibility commenters test. NEET topper Basit Bilal Khan, the 18-year-old Mr. Khan scored 695 marks out of 720. Khan's success in NEET exam has become an inspiration for youth of Kashmir who are chasing dream for a better tomorrow. Pulwama remains the festive district in South Kashmir and witnessed encounters search operation and protects very frequently. The internet has remained suspended in Pulwama district because of security reasons. Mr. Khan said, if your goal is important to you, find ways rather than excuses we are not having favorable condition for your many years. We should be prepared to face the tough condition as we may face more hardship. Advisor to Lieutenant Governor of Jammu and Kashmir felicitated Mr. Khan as his historic feat of securing 99.998 percentile in the NEET 2020 exam. He congratulated him and said, "I hope Khan would you inspire many other youth of the region to crack other prestigious exam to save the society in the best possible ways so that their energy would be utilized for the development of the nation." The 18 years old boy proved the youth of Kashmir are second to none in academic excellence. Terrorist killed during encounter in Shopian's area in Jammu and Kashmir. An unidentified terrorist was killed in an encounter with the security forces in Jammu and Kashmir, Shopian. Low intensity earthquake jolt Ladakh fourth tremor in 2 weeks. The earthquake hit 110 kilometers northwest of Kargil at a depth of 10 kilometers. An earthquake with magnitude of 3.6 on Richter scale struck Ladakh at 4:44 a.m. on Monday. The National Center for Seismology said no casualties have been reported so far in the incident. Thank you. That's all today's news. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Good morning, everybody. I'm B. Aswata. Today's speech. Delhi, officially known as the National Capital Territory of India. It is bordered by the state of Haryana on 3 sides and by Uttar Pradesh to the east. It covers an area of 1,484 square kilometers. According to the 2016 census, Delhi city population was over 26 million. Delhi is the world's second largest urban area according to the United Nations. Delhi is the second wealthiest city in India after Mumbai. Delhi has the second highest GDP per capita in India. The Chief Minister of Delhi is Mr. Arvind Kejriwal. The prominent landmark of Delhi is India Gate. It stands as a memorial to 70,000 soldiers who died in the First World War. The Red Fort is a main historic fort in the city of Delhi. Every year on India's Independence Day, the Prime Minister hoists the Indian flag at the fort's main gate. The Yamuna is the only major river flowing through Delhi. Famous temples in Delhi are Lotus Temple,
Chatarpur Temple, Kalgaj Mandir, etc. Delhi Metro is by far the largest and busiest metro in India. The official languages are Hindi and English. The important place in view, Iron Pillar of Delhi,